Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning 1 to 20 counting. This is our colors. Yellow color, black color, red color, dark green color, light green color, sky blue color, orange color, brown color, blue color, purple color, pink color. 1. This is 1. 2. This is 2. 3. This is 3. 4. This is 4. 5. This is 5. 6. This is 6. 7. This is 7. 8. This is 8. 9. This is 9. 10. This is 10. 11. This is 11. 12. This is 12. 13. This is 13. 14. This is 14. 15. This is 15. 16. This is 16. 17. This is 17. 18. This is 18. 19. This is 19. 20. This is 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.